He is holding the office of Interior Minister, right? Ministry of Interior. Earlier there used to be Simon Tefel, but he replaced him. That's a very honorable thing for Pakistan. So it's a very good sign. The start of the final, he gave us the good news that we will win this final. So he should stick towards bowling, no doubt. He's a good in batting, but he should feel himself as a part.
Happening in sport in Tahir Bhai is with us today. How are you, Tahir Bhai?
May good Akib, God is too kind. What about you?
I'm doing well, Tahir Bhai. And Tahir Bhai, how do you see this statement that Mohsin Naqvi's chairman removal news turned out to be fake? It was spread by some sort of journalist, and people are being happy that he is leaving the post.
But Akib, I already mentioned in the past video that until unless any official
News
statement from the PCB side or by the Mohsin Naqvi's written breakup, till then we can't believe on this news. And same thing happened. Then the official news have came out that PCB hasn't accepted his resignation. So I am happy that this news turned out to be false.
And Tahir Bhai, how do you see obviously this women's match which is happening in Lahore? And even you can see the PSL is coming very soon as we're talking about Mohsin Naqvi. And also he launched the full few security vehicles for the PSL 10. How do you see this, Tahir Bhai?
Yeah, Akib,
Two heavy tournaments.
Look, Akib, he is holding the office of Interior Minister, right? Ministry of Interior. So that's why he is very much concerned about the security of the player. And it's a very good sign, and it will attract more foreigner players who just blame the security reasons in Pakistan, especially New Zealanders or Indians as well.
And Tahir Bhai, you also, if you're talking about PSL, you shared a very big news that Aleem Dar Saab is making a comeback in PSL 10 as an umpire.
Yeah,
even it was a selector for some time in the selection panel.
Including you and me, and a lot of fans were waiting keenly to see the Aleem Dar.
One of the finest umpires.
And one of the finest and one of the most accurate umpires in the history of cricket, right? Earlier there used to be Simon Tefel, but he replaced him. That's a very honorable thing for Pakistan. So it's a very good sign. We will see more professional umpiring in PSL as well.
And Tahir Bhai, as we're talking about PSL, there was also news coming as we're talking about PCB that maybe Babar Azam will be given the captaincy. Maybe Babar Sher is going to be made the captain again. How do you see this news? Because I think Rizwan has not been a captain since a very long time. He should be given more time.
Yeah, Akib, I totally agree with you. Although this Rizwan has managed to win 2 series as well. So I think Rizwan...
2 big series.
Big series. And Rizwan need more time. What will be the implication if we bring back Babar? It will psychologically affect not only Rizwan but Babar as well. That he will think that I am a part-time captain. Whenever they want to launch me, they launch me. Whenever they want to evacuate me, they evacuate me from the captaincy assignment. And so it's a very drastic situation if Rizwan can be sacked.
And Tahir Bhai, as we were talking about PSL Lahore, the players were standing in front of a very, very huge enclosure, and you were also shared a post that could land them in some trouble, even though that person is called father of all cricketers by you.
No doubt, there is no doubt about that, calling that person father of cricket, because before the start of the final, he gave us the good news that we will win this final of 92.
And play like tigers.
Yeah, play like tiger. He came like tiger, wearing the t-shirt like tiger and behaving like tiger. Like even this style also captured, followed by Sarfraz as well before Champions Trophy, I think so.
And they won that final.
And we won that final. So Akib, you can't hide your legends, right? Legends are legend, and once a legend, always legend. And I think my best wishes are for Lahore Qalandars that they have taken the motivation from that person.
And lastly, before we conclude this video, Tahir Bhai, how do you see news of Shaheen Afridi? He is giving also political statement like his father-in-law that even don't talk about cricket with Shaheen Afridi, and I'm not a non-voter.
No,
my focus is on bowling.
These are political statements because Akib, he is also observing the media, and he is very much aware of the fact that people are just criticizing on him, that despite the fact of professional bowler, he is trying to become all-rounder. So I think Akib, my humble request to Shaheen is, if he is capable of bowling, so he should stick towards bowling. No doubt, he is a good in batting, but he should feel himself as a part-time batsman, not a full-time batsman. He should indulge himself. Otherwise, his bowling will be shattered badly, and his pace, which is, I am very concerned that, which is declining day by day, and it might be vanished permanently. And people might remember him as a medium pace bowler.
Thank you so much for your time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we'll try to have everything that with you. So, guys, that's the first video. Like, share, subscribe, support, save some more content like this. Till then, it's goodbye from me at my side. Be good to yourself and Allah Hafiz.